Platform 1 for the 1745 Southern service to Orr, calling at Pevensey and West Ham, Pevensey Bay, Norman Bay, Cruden Beach, Collington, Bexhill, St Leonard's Forest Square, Hastings and Orr. Please note that customers for Pevensey Bay and Norman Bay should join the front three coaches due to a short platform at these stations. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1745 Southern service to Orr. The train now approaching platform 2 is the 1730 Southern service to London Victoria, calling at Eastbourne, Bolgate, Lewes, Plumpton, Haywards Heath, Three Bridges, Gatwick Airport, East Croydon, Clapham Junction and London Victoria. This train is formed of 8 coaches.